Hey guys, come along with me for a little bridal shower slash dinner at Ming Cuisine, which is located at Village Plaza on Constant Spring Road. So we dined in the private dining room and we started by looking at the menu, which was bomb, by the way. I mean, anything you'd expect from a Chinese restaurant, but with a little zing, because trust me, the food was one of the best parts of my night. We then proceeded to play some games, how well do you know the bride, and this is her. Yes, so gorgeous. We did some little tips on date night for the bride and groom. So much fun. The bride was giving her a little speech and we were just here vibing and enjoying ourselves. It was very private, just a small gathering, and then it was time for the food. How amazing. They had this little turntable in the middle that you had all the dishes on that rotated, and I thought it was so cool. Like, listen, I rotated that thing for the entire night. So we got like fried rice, we got some sweet and sour chicken, and